long and yellow. It slipped on the floor and tripped a fellow.
C is for cat, who wears a hat.
He dances on rooftops, chasing a rat. D is for dinosaur, big and green. He tries to skateboard, what a scene! E is for elephant, oh so wide. He rides a scooter and takes it for a ride. F is for frog, who jumps so high. He leapt to the moon and kissed the sky.
G is for goat, who likes to hum. He plays the drums with his big fat thumb.
H is for hippo, who loves to bake. He made a cake that turned into a lake.
I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. It melted and danced right down the street.
J is for jelly, jiggly and fun. It wobbled away from everyone.
K is for kangaroo, who wears a vest. He jumps to school and skips the rest. L is for lemon, sour and bold. He told a joke and turned to gold. M is for monkey, swinging with flair. He wore sunglasses and did his hair. N is for noodle, long and thin. He did the tango in a garbage bin. O is for octopus, eight-legged and neat. He tap danced with shoes on every feet. P is for penguin, cool and slick. He slides on ice and does a magic trick. Q is for queen, who rides a moose. She waves to ducks and lets them loose. R is for robot, shiny and loud. He sings opera and draws a crowd. S is for snake, who tells a tale of a flying whale with a polka dot tail. T is for tiger, with rainbow hair. He bakes cupcakes and floats in the air. U is for umbrella, spinning in the breeze. It flew to Mars with a bunch of bees. V is for vegetables, dancing with peas. They boogie all night with carrots and cheese. W is for worm, who built a fort out of jelly beans and a tennis court. X is for xylophone, played by a yak. He jams all day with a duck and a quack. Y is for yeti, snowy and wild. He wears flip-flops like a summer child. Z is for zebra, who drives a car. He honks his horn and strums guitar. Now you know your A to Z, with dancing, food, and singing bees. Silly letters, big and small. Let's sing again and laugh with all.